How's it going, guys? Nice to have you back. Hope you've been enjoying some of the videos. It'd be much appreciated if you go through and click that subscribe button if you would. That'd be very much appreciated. But right here we have the next video on the jack. My Jackrow, I should say. This is our slip-on head. Okay, we have the base for the jack. Goes on there, which is just slide on. Okay, put a bolt through there that holds that in place. We then have the base for the jack, and then of course the head for the jack goes in there, so it can't slip out. So it makes it nice and safe. We still have a C channel that's going to go on here, about 600 long, which will grab the bearer so it can't slip out of there, and it'll have some holes in it so we can bolt it or coach screw it to the bearer, so the whole lot stays together in one piece, won't let it move. The most dangerous part about jacking a house and jacking the weight of a house, especially a tile roof house, is the supports you use to hold it up. Okay, that's a 5mm column. That blue one's a 6mm column. I'm having trouble getting the 5mm in the 6mm because there's not much play, and any bend in the column's I may have to change that 6mm down to a 5. We'll see how it goes. That's all I've got at the moment. But we're trying to get this ready for tomorrow. I don't know if we'll get there yet. It's a little bit of work to go, as I've got a groove that goes right down. I don't know if you can see it, but I've got a groove. There it is. Because inside that is the weld. You see that weld there? That's the seam where they've rolled the steel and welded it right down the middle. I've got to try and make a groove for that seam to go down. And of course, if that seam's quite bumpy, and if that seam wanders off straight, off center, of course I'm having trouble making it all work. But that's our top. That's what she's going to look like. Very heavy duty. Very heavy. Not just heavy duty. She's heavy. All made out of 5mm. 5mm 100 by 50 column. 15mm plate at the top, so that's heavy. 15mm plate. She's going to be real heavy when we take it in there and assemble it on the job in pieces. So we take it in pieces and assemble it on the job. Use a winch to stand her up and pull her up to where we want it. That's how far down she comes. So when I push this, you have a look. When I push this, I'll just lift it up a bit. There we go, and we push. So that goes all the way in there. Now what we've got to do, and now I know where the end is. I've marked that with the Nico. I've now got to put a couple of bolt holes here so I can put some bolts through to be able to put the winch on, to be able to lift this thing with. And from about there on, all the way down to 600 off the bottom, I'll have a hole every 100mm on two sides to match one of those holes. So as it comes through, that's a 50mm increment. So if these holes are all at 100mm, that gives me 50mm. So whether I want it 100 or 50mm increments, I can do it. Okay, that's all coming off the other one we've got. Very good idea. The bolt-on base. The whole idea is because of the weight of it, we've got to pull it all apart and assemble it on the job. But yeah, that's what we're doing. That's our Jackrow. So doing good. Frank's doing a great job of all the welding. And she's coming together. It's taking its time. I've already burnt one grinder out trying to make that groove. Little 5-inch grinders are just not what they used to be. They get very hot very quickly. And of course, as you're grinding, belting that out. If I had bigger machineries and a machine shop, then of course it'd make it easier. But all I've got is 5-inch grinders to do that with. And yeah, it canes. All right, okay, well that's it. I won't ramble on much further. That's our Jackrow. Once we got it all assembled, we'll stand it up and take a video then. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please, again, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, just down the bottom corner there. Subscribe, a little red button down over there, and the like button just below. Be much appreciated, guys. And we'll talk to you again soon. Show you some more weird and wonderful stuff we're making. Thanks. See yous.